Tonight we're launching CK Counts, which is a community checkup. It is an opportunity to showcase some of the great things that are happening in Chatham-Kent, to really take a lot of data and put it in one place. And we are really looking at a number of factors that impact quality of life. So everything from a sense of belonging to what makes our population healthy, to our economy and housing. It's a great way of looking at a number of things that I hope people are really interested in.
If you want to be able to compete and you want to be able to move product across the world, it's extremely important that we have a talented, educated, and skilled workforce within our community. I think there's also social economic reasons that it enhances the long-term health of the community. People see more beyond just simply day to day. They take a longer-term view, and so I think having that kind of background, that kind of thinking, enhances the long-term viability of Chatham-Kent community.
I think it's important for us to become involved in our community, and this gave me a good way to become involved. And plus, with my role in healthcare, I see the condition of our population in Chatham-Kent, and it's a great opportunity to bring industry together for a common cause. And that common cause is to improve the quality of life for all of our residents in Chatham-Kent.
I've been in the community for about 15 years now, and throughout that time, started with Tech Savvy, and quickly realized that the type of business we had, frankly, if you didn't have health involvement in the business sector itself, you couldn't have healthy employees, and as a result, a healthy business.
We see that there's some great things happening in Chatham-Kent. When we notice that we still have some work to do in some areas, it allows us to bring everything together to move forward and develop an action plan. And we all know that what gets measured really gets looked at and gets dealt with by our community partners. So a lot of people came together to really bring Chatham-Kent, our CK Counts community checkup alive, and we're really pleased with that.
For the first time, we'll be able to go back to our residents and let them know how we're doing on a number of key indicators for the quality of life.
It's important to measure things within our community, to benchmark ourselves, to know how we're improving. It is from a university perspective, we have 120 employees here to 150, and to be able to attract and keep and retain those employees, it's an active, aggressive community is a real hallmark to being able to be successful in this area.
Things like ckcounts.ca are important tools because they also help from the employer's perspective, the ability to look at things like work, the economy, household measurements, so that we can, from an investment perspective, look at how we can better make things work out. Also from a community perspective, how can we impact it in a more meaningful way? And all these things together can help make things better from now going into the future.